Did you know that you can easily recover your kidneys with a simple morning routine? Most people look for causes of kidney disease in poor nutrition or lack of supplementation. However, in many cases, kidney disease is not only caused by food, but also by an improper lifestyle. In this video, we will show you a simple morning routine that will have a very positive effect on your kidneys and will not take more than 5 minutes out of your day. After just a month of using this routine, your kidneys will be much healthier, and you won't have problems with urination and other kidney ailments. This video contains valuable knowledge and will help you recover kidneys fast with minimal amount of effort, so watch to the end. Number 1, drink water with lemon. Starting your day with a glass of water with lemon is a fantastic way to stimulate your kidneys to work. Most people are dehydrated and drink too little water during the day. You should drink at least 0.5 gallons to 1 gallon of water a day. Lemons contain vitamin C and antioxidants, which help to flush out toxins and prevent kidney stones. Drinking water first thing in the morning helps to rehydrate your body after a long night's sleep. Proper hydration is essential for kidney health as it helps to dilute urine and prevents the formation of kidney stones. In addition, lemon has cleansing properties, which prevents the accumulation of calcium deposits and also prevents the formation of kidney stones. In addition, the antioxidants in lemon help reduce inflammation and support overall kidney function. However, this is not the end of the benefits of this drink. Many people have trouble getting up in the morning. The nutrients in lemon water provide a natural energy boost without the side effects associated with caffeinated drinks. If perhaps you have problems with standing up, lemon water will help you deal with it. In addition, water with lemon can aid digestion and stimulate the production of bile, which is essential for digestion. This can help prevent indigestion and bloating during the day. Lemons are fruits that are among the most health-promoting fruits. They are rich in vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system, helping the body fight off infections and diseases more effectively. The preparation of lemon water is very simple and gives very satisfactory benefits in using it in the long term. It not only hydrates the body, but also improves the health of the whole body, especially the kidneys. Make this simple habit a part of your daily routine, and you'll notice a significant improvement in your kidney health and overall well-being over time. Let's move on to the next habit, equally simple, but excellent for improving kidney function. Number 2, eat a kidney-friendly breakfast. Starting your day with a nutritious, kidney-friendly breakfast can set the tone for the rest of your day and support your kidney health. You are what you eat, so it makes sense to take care of your diet first. The key is a balanced diet, rich in vitamins and amino acids. If you want to take care of your kidneys, you need to eat mostly easily digestible foods and meals. For example, it could be oatmeal, a smoothie with green leafy vegetables, or for example, Greek yogurt with honey and nuts. Oatmeal is a whole grain that's high in fiber and low in phosphorus, making it a great choice for kidney health. Top it with berries like blueberries or strawberries for added antioxidants. A smoothie made with kale or spinach, along with a banana and some berries, provides essential vitamins and minerals without overloading on potassium and phosphorus. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and contains less sodium and potassium than regular yogurt. Add a drizzle of honey and a small handful of nuts, such as almonds or walnuts, for a balanced meal. A balanced breakfast provides essential nutrients that support overall health and kidney function. Foods high in antioxidants and low in sodium and phosphorus are particularly beneficial. A healthy breakfast helps maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. High blood sugar can damage the kidneys over time, so managing it is crucial for kidney health. Eating a nutritious breakfast gives you the energy you need to start your day and helps maintain a healthy weight, reducing the risk of conditions like diabetes and high blood pressure that can harm the kidneys. However, you must make sure that your breakfast does not contain excess vitamin C, especially if you drink water with lemon at the beginning of the day. Vitamin C in excess can damage your kidneys and increase oxalic acid in the blood and urine. This leads to the formation of oxalate calcium stones. Most people have too much vitamin C in their diet, as it is present in most foods and products we eat. That's why you need to be especially careful when it comes to this vitamin. Also, make your diet limited in salt. Excessive salt intake leads to water retention in the body, which in turn can cause kidney-damaging high blood pressure. The high pressure of blood flowing through the kidney's fine vessels causes their remodeling, which in turn impedes the filtration process. Avoid processed foods and choose fresh, whole food ingredients to keep your sodium intake low. While fruits and vegetables are generally healthy, some are high in potassium and phosphorus, which can be problematic for those with kidney issues. Choose options that are lower in these minerals. Incorporating these kidney-friendly breakfast options into your morning routine can help you maintain optimal kidney health and set a positive tone for the rest of your day. In these times where most foods are highly processed, this is especially important for our bodies and overall health. However, diet alone can help you rebuild the health of your kidneys. But you also need to take care of the thing from the next point to accentuate the positive effect. Number 3, gentle morning exercise. Another powerful way to support your kidney health is by engaging in gentle morning exercise. Movement is not only recommended for kidneys, but for everyone, as most of us lead sedentary lifestyles. These do not have to be physically demanding exercises. They can be squats, bicycle, simple stretching, or even a short 5-minute walk. It is not about getting tired at the beginning of the day, but it is about stimulating the body and facilitating blood flow. Improving blood flow early in the day will ensure that more blood is pumped to the kidneys, improving their work and ensuring that they function properly. Kidney ischemia is associated with the risk of both acute and chronic kidney damage. If the reduction in kidney blood flow lasts for a long time, it can lead to irreversible kidney damage. This can even lead to complete cessation of kidney function. Physical activity helps improve circulation, reduce stress, and enhance overall body function, including the kidneys. It can be a brisk walk, yoga, stretching, or just a normal slow walk. Simple stretching exercises can help improve flexibility, reduce tension, and promote better circulation, all of which benefit your kidneys. Exercise increases blood flow throughout the body, including the kidneys, which helps them function more efficiently by filtering blood and removing waste products. Physical activity reduces stress hormones like cortisol. Lower stress levels are associated with better kidney function and overall health. By reducing cortisol, you will also be better awakened, and you will have more energy during the day. Regular exercise helps maintain normal blood pressure levels. High blood pressure is a major cause of kidney damage, so keeping it in check is crucial. If you're going to do heavier exercises, you can also excrete toxins through sweat, which will also benefit your body's health. Try to make exercise a regular part of your morning routine. Even 5-10 minutes of activity can make a difference. Choose exercises that you enjoy and that suit your fitness level. It's important to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity. Remember to drink water before and after your workout to stay hydrated and support kidney function. By incorporating gentle morning exercises into your daily routine, you'll not only enhance your kidney health, but also improve your overall well-being. Your kidneys will thank you for every moment of movement during the day. You already know what things you need to remember to regenerate your kidneys, but do you already know about the things you need to avoid? The best solution is the kidney diet, which shows us which products we should eat and which we shouldn't. The renal diet mainly involves reducing the supply of protein, salty, and heavily processed foods. Avoid eating foods high in phosphorus, such as yellow cheese, processed cheese, egg yolk, milk, meat, offal, legumes, cocoa, and chocolate. Also, avoid products rich in sodium, potassium, and significantly reduced protein. This does not mean that you should give up products containing these minerals altogether, but you need to be careful in how much you take in and moderate it. You already know about a morning routine that will help you regain kidney health very quickly with only minimal effort. However, keep in mind that this video is not medical advice and was created for educational and informational purposes only. If you are struggling with any kidney problems, you should see a doctor. Either way, we hope you found this video helpful. If so, and want to support us, please leave a like button under this video and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss future videos. We are keeping our fingers crossed for you and hope that your kidneys will recover. See you next time, and take care of yourself.